Ito guys yung
Grabe,
kwarto.
sobrang lamig.
And then, meron dito yung parang mini bar. Ayan, meron silang matawag dyan, fridge. And then, meron pa silang paganito.
Complimentary
So,
drinks nila, oh.
ayan guys. Meron din sila dyan, complimentary drinks. May free fruits pa. Yun guys, so ang ganda ng nila. Ito yung sa 10th floor sa swimming pool area. Ayan kitang-kita mo yung ibang building. Ayan, punta tayo sa pool area mismo. Ayan. Ito yung papuntang swimming pool. Ayan. May naliligo guys. Yan yung Ayan, may naliligo sa pool. Ayan yung bar nila. Mini bar. Meron pa pala sa taso. Ayan excuse me.
With mother pearl. First, the artists have to chew wood to make a form. Yeah, thick wood for the picture, small thing like jewelry box, serving tray, or right bowl. And rosewood, redwood for furniture. Next step, they need to repair all the defect of wood body. After that, they wrap cotton cloth around, avoid wood body damage in hot or cold weather. After wrapping, the artist covers 6 layers of lacquer around. 8 layers laterite and sand. We need to prepare wood body strong first. After that, cut mother pearl on the design. Yeah, stick on wood body. After sticking, we keep it with the nail.
Kasi kung cut siya, di bubutang nila yun.
Ano yan guys, yung buffet. Buffet to.
What do you want? Anong soup? This is the soup?
Yes, two soup. Tom yum soup na lang.
This one and this one.
Yes.
Ay,
So yung meal.
tapos hindi kita magpapakalo.
Yung nasa ng picture.
The drinks?
Drinks?
Is that free?
No, it's not alone.
It's not included.
Watermelon.
Yeah, we'll just get water.
Let's get water.
Ayaw niya.
Pero naman mga juices. Ayan may mga juice.
Ay, sorry.
That one, the orange one.
49.
Dragon fruit. Is there mint? Mint?
Mint.
No, don't put mint. Yeah. I'll have this one.
This one.
Or, kayo, ay, just this one. The water.
In order namin. Yummy. Buffet to. Hi guys, kain tayo. Buffet itong kinakain namin. Puro noodles lang. Walang rice.
Asan yung nito? Yung salmon. Gusto yung salmon.
want the salmon. Do we still have?
Aray ko siya.
I want the salmon.
Dabasin ka ano, yung maliit na kutsara.
Magalit ka. You ask.
Ayan guys.
Nag-stop na ako mag-compute. Bakit? Siyempre, para nag-stop ka na. Why ka?
Gawin mo to. Mainit ko na yun naman.
I want salmon. Salmon pa. Saan ba yung abot ng dapat? There.
Let's take a photo with you.
Ito guys yung drinks ko, oh.
Amin na. Abot nga ng drinks ko.
Bye guys. Kain muna ako. Ayan. Coffee tayo guys. Ito yung coffee ng Vietnam. Cappuccino. Sikat sila dito. Ayan. Oh. Ayan guys. Nakarating na kami sa Puro Gusto na cafe.
Ayaw.
Kasi kung cash.
Ayan. Baka gusto nyo din ng Puro Gusto. Wala kang aayawan na pagkain dyan kasi lahat gusto eh. Ayan o. Ayan guys. So yung coffee nila parang finest na ano. Cold drink. Ayan guys. Nagkakape yung dalawa. Kumakain ng ano, banh mi na tinapay. Ayan o. Bumili lang sila ng drinks. Ayan. Dito sila sa Puro Gusto. Baka mapadaan kayo sa ano, sa Vietnam. Punta kayo dito sa Puro Gusto. Lahat magugustuhan niyo. Dahil puro gusto siya. Lahat masarap.